Add a circle. Click triangle fan in edit mode. Insert. Deselect this vertex. In select. Checker deselect. Select this vertex. In edge mode. Ctrl X. Select all. Extrude. Shade auto smooth. Add a circle. Nothing. 52. Ctrl F. Grid fill. Rotate on x-axis. Move on z-axis. Select these faces and delete them. Select this vertex, duplicate it, extrude it. Extrude. Ctrl R. Select this edge, bevel it. Select these vertices, move on x-axis. Select all. Duplicate it, move on z-axis. Duplicate it, move on z-axis. Check faces whether they are in reverse. Select all, Shift N. Select this, add solidify modifier. Zero. 2 centimeters thickness. Add plane axis. Add array modifier. Increase the count. In object offset, select empty. Select the empty. Rotate on z-axis. Select this, duplicate it, scale down it. Move on z-axis. Select these vertices. Move on z-axis. Select these all vertices. Move on x-axis. Select all. Scale up. Shade auto smooth.